Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Permissible Markets. This channel will surely help you in your investing and trading journey. Today we will discuss about Sansera Engineering, its financial strength, including analysis on its financial ratios such as debt to equity ratio, price to earnings ratio, shareholding pattern analysis, and peer comparison analysis. Now let's see introduction. Sansera Engineering manufactures precision auto components to automobile industries. The closest peer to this is Sona BLW, which manufactures precision auto components. Sansera Engineering manufactures precision components for the aerospace, off-road, agriculture and engineering sectors. Currently, they are also manufacturing parts such as gears for EV two-wheelers and transmission for EV four-wheeler vehicles. They produce high precision aluminium and titanium machined aerospace components. They have 16 production plants, out of which one is in Sweden. Now let's discuss about the financial strength of the company. Now let's see the revenue and the profit comparison for fiscal year March 2020 and March 2021 and ROCE. ROCE is nothing but the return on capital employed and the operating margin of the company. The total revenue for March 2020 is 1473.14 crores and the profit is 79.91 crores. The total revenue for March 2021 is 1572.14 crore and the profit is 109.86 crore. The revenue has increased by just 8% in the last fiscal year. Profit has increased by 36% from March 2020 to March 2021. Such profit increase during lockdowns around the country is a good sign for the business. The only problem I find is the ROCE, which is around 12.55%. The operating margin of the company is 14.29%, which is average. Now let's see the assets and liabilities of the company. I know many people don't really care about the assets and liabilities in the current euphoric market, but I think assets and liabilities analysis is more important when you are searching for companies with zero debt or with manageable debt. Okay, let's find out the debt to equity ratio of Sansera Engineering. Total debt for the company is around 852 crores. Total assets of the company is around 1730 crores. So the debt to equity ratio is around 0.49, which is very good. Based on the above details, we have come to the conclusion that the company is financially very strong. Let's see the pricing and valuation of the company. The current market cap of the company is around 4000 crore, which is in the small cap category for now. Let's find out the EPS, earnings per share, and PE ratio, price to earnings for the company. Number of outstanding shares of the company is around 5.13 crores shares. EPS, price to earnings for the financial year March 2021 is around 21.41. The price to earnings ratio is around 38.41, which I think is fair value for the company. Considering this is high growth sector, it can command an high price to earnings. And I think currently the market cap of the company is very low. Let's see the shareholding pattern of the company. The shareholding pattern is currently not available in any website. So I have calculated the outstanding shares based on the data currently available. The company has allocated 51,35,162 equity shares to anchor investor at Rs 744 per share. 51.35 lakh shares has been given to these anchor investors like Government of Singapore, Monetary Authority of Singapore, Nomura, Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Axis Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, SBI Life Insurance Corporation Limited, Max Life Insurance Company and Kuber India Fund. The IPO offered around 1.72 crore, out of which retail have 35% of shares and non-institutional investors have around 15% of shares. So the total allocation of retail and non-retail is around 86 lakh shares. The demand for these shares is quite high. I will not be surprised if the company becomes a mid-cap quoting 13,000 to 15,000 crore market cap in the near future. Let's see the peer comparison analysis. The closest peers to Sansera Engineering are Wabco India and Sona BLW, which are both trading at a premium valuation. Wabco India is trading at a price to earnings of 86, whereas Sona BLW is trading at a price to earnings of 150 plus currently. because of high growth expectations and high demand for shares. WAPCO India's outstanding shares of about 1.03 crore shares, whereas the shares available for public or non-institutional investors, excluding the DII, domestic institutional investors, and FII, foreign institutional investors, is just 8%, which is only 8.24 lakhs outstanding shares. Look at what happened there in long term. Sona BLW has outstanding shares of about 58.33 crore, whereas the shares available for public or non-institutional investors, excluding the DIN and FII, that is domestic institutional investors and foreign institutional investors, is just 3.65%, which is only 2.11 crore. Look at what happened there in the medium term. Hence, we can conclude that just based on the demand of shares and the institution holding pattern, the current valuations around 4,000 crore market cap is very attractive. He should be at least double or triple that in the long term. So, if the growth expectations is good, then Sansera Engineering is sure to do well for the next 1 to 5 years. Disclaimer: this is just my opinion. People taking investing or trading positions should analyze the stock that they purchase on their own. Consider taking advice from financial advisor before investing or trading.